Hey guys, welcome back to another quick 1-minute tutorial with your host Jeff Gerlitz. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset a Samsung Smart Tag. So without further ado, let me show you those steps. All right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is remove the battery. There is a notch at the bottom here. You can use your fingernails depending on how strong they are, but I recommend using a penny so you don't break them. Just insert that and kind of twist it until you hear it pop. Just like so. Now that it's kind of popped open, I just take the penny and kind of run it around the perimeter to open up the rest of the casing. All right, now that it's open on all sides, you can just open up the compartment like so, exposing the battery. All right, you'll notice there's a little notch next to the battery here, so I use a tip of a pen or a small paper clip if you got that, and just gently go underneath the battery so the battery comes out. Next, using the center button right here, you're going to want to depress the button, hold it down, and reinsert the battery. If it makes a beeping sound right away, you didn't do it correctly. Continue holding the button down for 5 seconds. That sound indicates it has been successfully reset. Then just take your casing and gently place it over, snap it back into position. It's a lot easier to reinstall the casing than it is to remove it. So that's all there is to resetting your Galaxy Smart Tag. You should now be able to repair it in the SmartThings app. Hope you found this video informative.